One of the factors that governs when you sleep and when you wake up is your clock, your master clock in your hypothalamus. And that is a light-sensitive cell cluster. And so it produces melatonin, which regulates all the physiologic functions of your body. What's interesting is your body's clock, your natural clock, if we put you in a cave with no cues and we figured out the natural intrinsic rate of your core body clock would be in terms of waking and sleeping, it turns out that it's actually longer than 24 hours. And so what that would mean, if there was no way to reset your clock, you would get sleepier by 20 minutes every night and you would just keep going around the clock. So what light does is it shuts down melatonin and it regulates your clock so that you can entrain your clock to the 24-hour day so that you don't do that, you don't cycle around the clock. So light is really critical. If you expose yourself to light right before bedtime when melatonin is supposed to be secreting as a signal to govern your sleep-wake mechanisms, it can interfere with sleep. So and there's studies showing that now, that even with people using video games and texting and that kind of thing, if you've got chronic light getting into your eyes right in bed, it can actually interfere with your clock.